Tango is under the umbrella of ballroom. Cut. All right. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. In this video, I have prepared leader steps for Tango Basic step. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and begin with a beautiful posture for tango. Tango is under the umbrella of ballroom dancing, so we're going to keep a beautiful ballroom dance posture for this dance. For our feet, we're going to keep it in nice 11 shape. Feet can be slightly apart or completely together. It's based on your preference. Ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders are nicely stacked up. Our abs engaged, chest open, and shoulders down. From there, elevate on the upper body. And for the lower body, we are going to keep our knees soft to keep it grounded a little bit more for tango. Now it is time for us to focus on the steps and footwork of leader's basic step for tango. We're going to switch our view into a mirror view image so it's easy for you guys to follow along. We're going to go ahead and take a step forward, beginning with the left foot 3 times. Forward, 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 and step to your right. Brush your left foot together. That's it. Let's try that one more time. Forward, forward, forward. Step to your right and brush your left foot towards your right foot. Let's go ahead and review the footwork for Tango Basic step. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Inside edge of the whole foot, ball heel, and brush the ball of your feet on the left towards your right. One more time. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Inside edge, ball heel, the whole foot, and brush the ball of your foot on the left towards your right. Very good. Now it is time for us to focus on the musicality of Tango Basic step. There are 2 different ways to count Tango Basic step, so I will demonstrate as I chant along so that you guys can retain the musicality of tango easier. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, it is time for us to try together to the music. Stand tall. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we've tried it to the music, it is time for us to focus on the techniques of tango. One thing becomes very, very clear. The tango is a very much so a charismatic dance, so when you're dancing tango, try not to smile too much because it's going to give it away. So in order for you to bring in the charismatic feel of tango, we keep a soft knees towards the ground and charge forward during the basic step. One of the common mistakes that is made in the basic step is that we begin to compromise our posture in order to travel. Allow me to demonstrate the wrong example for this traveling aspect of tango so you can see what I'm talking about here. Alright, we're going to keep our knees somewhat soft, but as we are traveling forward, we're going to glide through the floor as we are walking forward, right? So there is a sense of charging forward, adding charisma into your tango dance. But one thing to avoid, guys, is to focus too much on traveling to the point that you begin to lose your sense of posture, the elevation on the upper body. So if you're going tango dancing with your head tilted towards the direction you're going, it's going to compromise not only your posture, but also the connection with your partner. So make sure not to compromise your posture in order to travel. Focus one little step at a time by getting comfortable with your step. and then the footwork, and then begin to glide through the air without losing your posture. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had a wonderful time dancing tango with me. If you like our videos, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future dance videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another dance. Bye!